So hey guys, welcome to my channel.
So finally, our home rate dumbbell has given fries. So this is a new video in which I'm going to show the breeding process of our guppies. So this is our water lily pond. You can see have kept mollyfish and wild guppies. So you can see how beautiful it has grown. And this is our natural pond. I have created it. So I have added duckweeds so that it can grow more easily. So this is our female dumbbell. This is home breeded dumbbell pond. So it is going to give fries. And this is our mosaic fries. You can see our breeding has been successful and we have got a fries. Now this is 20 days old fries. You can see the size. And this is our turtle. And this is albino full white fries. You can see even the process of breeding. This is also been successful. And this is a water poppy pond in which I have kept normal guppy fries. So this is the next day. Our female has given fries, the dumbbell one. You can see it is in 30-40 fries. And now you can see how much the duckweed had grown in the next day only. It has multiplied very fast. You can see the quantity of fishes in this water lily tub. There are more than 40-50 fishes. I never feed them like I feed them once a week or 2 weeks once I'd feed it. Even this pond I don't take care much. And here are our breeding pair tubs. I have kept it for breeding. The result will be shown in the next video. So make sure that you subscribe my channel and you can see our tortoise. It was basking, so I want to touch it. And this is small setup for my tortoise. Yeah, I'll make a big setup for it very soon. And I will cover the setup because it is very hot. It is a sunny day now, and more heat should not fall to the water because the water temperature rises and the
ಗೈಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಫಿಶ್ ಗೂಪಿಂದ 2 ಫಿಶ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಗಪ್ಪೀಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಗೈಸ್.
So do like this video and thank you for watching. Subscribe to watch more and follow us on Instagram. I will comment the link down in the description. Please to check it.